Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be opening and making Make It Mini Nature. Well, these just came out and I can't open them. Well, I don't know which way. I don't even know how to open this. Oh. Okay. Do I take this thing out? Oh, okay. I think this is like the little display case, so I'm set that right there. What is this? There's like a rubber band type thing on it. Oh, this must be the plant, so I need to be extra careful. Set these right here. I'm just gonna put that over there. Put this right there. Is it corn? I think this is, oh, I just broke it. I think this is a corn plant. Okay. That's so cute. Look at that. Let's open this. Got whatever that is. I don't know. Oh, like a little shovel. And another one of these. Okay, a little bucket. That is so cute. It's adorable. So I don't really know what that's for. Okay, so it goes on to this. Ah, okay. Maybe the other way? Wait. Okay, there we go. And I can just set it inside. Oh, this way. Yeah, that looks a little better. Oh, never mind. There, that, oh well. Yeah, I think that goes. Okay, so in this bucket goes just the dirt. So you put the dirt in there and then we put the plant in. I might need to get the scissors. Okay, I'm back. I don't have small scissors, but I do have big ones. So I'm going to use them. Here's the dirt. So I guess we just put it in here. I'm going to lower the camera just so y'all can see it better. There we go. So easy does it. Yeah, this looks like kinetic sand just dyed, you know, in dirt color, whatever that means. By the way, the mess is from the Krispy Kreme donuts Make It. So, yeah. There. And now we need to make a little hole for the plant. I guess like that. And then put it right in. Oh, sorry y'all, I just hit you. There we go. Get y'all real close. Okay, let's add just a little bit more. Stay put. You know what? All my corn is falling off. This is not how I imagined. There. I just had to pat it. There, I think that looks good. And then we'll just add a corn right there in that. And that, I don't think that would fit in there, but we'll try. I don't want my corn to fall over. Yeah, that's not going to fit. Alright, last one. I hope to get this one or the one with the little faces on it. I hope we don't get a duplicate. That'd be horrible. Oh no. Did we get a duplicate? No. No! Wow. Wow. All my luck. Where I bought 2 or 3, I haven't got a duplicate. But this one I have. Wow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe. Bye!